Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see me, Gerard, a professional trader, make my trades. Today, I'll make sure that you understand the why of my exits and my entries. I will explain my strategy, and you will get to see how I trade beautifully. Whether we end up with a profit or a loss, what matters most is sticking with a strategy, exiting when we need to and when we must, and entering when a strategy dictates that we do. Right now, it's 8:30. There's some mayhem. In fact, there's a chance that this might be a good trade here. So let's see. Normally, I trade after 8:35. But right now, we are seeing that price action might cross this support line. So far we've seen prices going up. There is a chance it might reverse. Let us see where things are going right now. You have the simple moving averages crossing. So right now, for me to know that it's going to be a good trade down, it needs to cross this line, obviously this red line here, which all are support and resistance lines. So let us see. So right now, you have price action crossing this. Let's see if it will cross this line. If it does, if it crosses this line here, let's get into this trade. I'm in. So right now, let's see if it's gonna reach this line. And if it does, let's see if it will reverse or continue. Hopefully it does continue. Okay, it might reverse. Let's just wait and see. Okay, possibly going down. Let's hope it crosses this support line here. If it does, let's hope it does not reverse. Okay, powerfully cross it. Don't reverse, let's just continue down. If not, let's be ready to exit. Okay, it touched this line. Is it gonna reverse? We want it to continue. Okay, we want it to continue. I'm not sure yet. Ooh, that's a tough reversal. Wow, it's a tough reversal. Yeah. So let's see what's going to happen here. Is it gonna continue down? Is it gonna cross the blue line? Or is it gonna continue going up? Let's hope. Okay, this might be time for us to exit. Let's see if it doesn't cross that red line very soon. This is sign for us to exit. Let's see. So right now, price action. Let's go. See this line here? That's a very critical line. Ooh, 88. Oh, okay. Let's see if it's gonna continue cross this line. Okay, I might have to exit here if it doesn't cross it. Let's see what's going on here. We need a lot of decisiveness. At this point. Wow. Could do it. I don't know yet. If it crosses this line, this blue line. Okay. This is a very precarious situation. It's not crossing this line. It's not crossing this blue line. And we needed to do that to tell us whether it's going to be a sell trade, a good sell trade. At this point, should we exit or not? I still have faith. I still have faith. Okay. Okay. Should exit here. Yay. Okay. Are you gonna cross this line here? Are you going to cross it? Finally? Cross it and don't reverse. Wow. Very precarious. Okay, now let's see if it's gonna touch this line and cross all the way down. That's a lot of zigzags. Ooh. It's a lot of zigzagging. I'm going to put this line here. It's a line that needs to be crossed. If it crosses it, I'm going to put this line here as well. Okay. And that being said, it's almost time for us to exit. If it doesn't continue all the way down, we have to exit here. Let's see. Continue down. Very precarious situation right now. Is it crossing back? Yes, it has crossed back. Fully reverses back down and crosses that blue, which is the previous support line. Fully does. Very stressful. Cross that red and cross that blue and at least get here. That would be amazing if it does. But if not, we have to be ready to exit. We'll take whatever the market gives us. If it crosses that blue, I'm exiting. Okay. Yeah. We take whatever the market gives us. That's interesting. These days, it's been very sparse. The trades are not as profitable as they used to be. I mean, a lot of zigzags. And at the end, you focus on what you can get. And you can't really risk. It's an interesting case here. When did we enter? We entered 131 to 281.64. We entered here. What time was that? 8:31. I guess maybe we could have entered here. See, we did well to exit. We did very well to exit here. Now, is it going to be a buy trade? Up, I'm in. Let's see where it's going to lead us. Hopefully, it leads us somewhere we can make some profit. That'll be great if it at least reaches here, or even goes a little higher here. That'll be great. But then I have to be ready in case. Okay, it reached here. Is it gonna reverse or is it gonna continue? Is it gonna reverse or continue? Hopefully it continues and doesn't reverse. Oh, it reversed. It's reversing. It's possibly reversing. Okay, continue up. Ooh. See, let's hope it continues up. Let's hope it crosses that line. I'm gonna put a red line here. Getting ready to exit in case it doesn't give us the trade. It's really stalling here. We have 40 ticks left on this trade, on this candle. Hopefully this one, okay. There's a chance it reverses. Ooh, it's not going up. That'll be great. Cross this line and get here. But if it doesn't, we have to be ready. It's stalling. It is stalling. It's not even crossing the high of that candle. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna cross? Okay. Okay, is it gonna continue up? No. Nailed. Hopefully it reverses. Hopefully it does. Oh man, I should have exited. Sad. So all we can hope for is that it actually reverses all the way up, which would be amazing if it did. But if it doesn't, we have to accept that. Should have exited. Okay. See what's going to happen here. Hopefully it reverses back up. No, it's not reversing back up. Let's see if it's going to continue down. Exit it here. Now let's hope it at least reaches this or continues down, giving us some of our profit back. So we'll continue. That'll be amazing. If it reaches here, we'll make our money back. Let's go. So it reaches this line. Hopefully it continues. That'd be amazing if it did. Okay, good. If it reaches here, that'll be amazing. We can do this. Now that being said, I'm getting ready to exit as well, because it might reverse back here. But we want it to at least touch. Okay. There's an interesting line here. Like I said, I'm putting this one there. Is it gonna cross this line? If it crosses it, hopefully it might reach here. That would be amazing. That being said, let me get ready in case it reverses brutally. Although it would be nice if it continues, right? It would be wonderful. It would be marvelous. Getting ready to exit if it doesn't cross that line and reaches that. That'd be amazing if it did. But if it doesn't, we'll take whatever the market gives us. Ooh, go down, go down. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Cross that blue. Okay, there's a lot of zigzag, a tug of war happening here. Hopefully we win. Hopefully the sellers win. Cross that blue and get here. If not, we should exit. Keep our profit. Okay, it touched the low of the candle. Is it gonna touch the low of the movement? Okay, it touched it and reversed. It touched it and reversed. Brutally. It reversed brutally. Hopefully it goes down. If it... Let's get out. Took a lot of our profits, but so it is. From 2272 to 75. Reversals are brutal. That was a very good trade, by the way. Very proud of us here. Sure we could get in and get out quickly. Let's see. Okay, it's touching this line. If it doesn't cross it fully, we should exit. Hopefully it does cross it fully. That'll be amazing. Get some profit. You can do it. Let's go up. If it actually does it, we could get maybe 2 or 3 points here. Let's get 2 or 3 points up. It's not doing it. Okay, we should exit. So we're gonna continue up. continue up. Man. It's gonna continue up. If it does, that'll be amazing. Okay. It needs to cross this line here. If it does, that'll be amazing. Okay, now we want you to cross and not reverse. Cross and not reverse. Cross and not reverse. Cross and continue all the way up. All the way up. This is an interesting portion here, all the way up. Okay, if it reverses, we have to exit. We can do this. See here? It's gonna touch this. Okay, if it reverses, we have to exit. Okay. Become a green and go all the way up. Cross either high. Okay. It might continue up, but then it wasn't giving us what the momentum we wanted. For example, here you can see price action cross this SMA and then reversed. That's an exit sign. Just like here, it reached it, crossed it, and then reversed. Now, something needs to be said about this trade here. We got into this trade. We did well. Let's see. 2284, 287, that's 3 points. By the time it did this, we should have exited. That's a major support line. We should have exited here. And then this, you know, this was a little gamble, to be honest. This was a little gamble. It paid, we made maybe 1 point, but if we look at one of our trade here, was it this one? By the time it reached here and reversed, we should have exited. That's the reality. We should have exited here. Now, am I gonna get into another trade? Maybe not. This is the real trade of the day. From here, 2279, all the way here to 272. This is 6 points. 6 points. So bad. Is there a trade here? I don't know. Maybe not. I'm not sure. But that's the real trade of the day. This is a good trade too, actually. This isn't a good trade. Possibly, but it reversed. This is a good trade. See this? But then having the courage to exit when you have to, for example, here, when it reversed past that support line, that's a good sign to exit. Here, see from this trade down, we enter, let's say we entered here, 2269, 7 points. By the time it reversed past here, by that red line, we should have exited. So, as you can see, knowing when to enter is half the battle. Actually, knowing when to enter, I would say it's 1/3 of the battle. Knowing when to exit is 1/3 of the battle. Having the courage to exit is another 1/3. So exiting for me is 2/3 of trading, of good trading. And as you can tell, we get into great trades, but our profit is limited by skittish exits. That being said, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching us trade. And remember, all you need really is just one good trade. Just one good trade. That's it. Have a wonderful day.